What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's a Filipino rap music. So the title of the song is called Tell Me by Battalion. Alright? Let's start. Alright guys, let's start. So for this one, you start, open your legs. Buksan ang iyong mga paa. Open your legs. So we're gonna start on 7 and 8. You're gonna go 7, open, and 8. So you're facing to your right side and diagonally to the right. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you start on 1, 2, this is 3, we'll change on 4, go 5, 6, in on 7, and catch on 8. Sorry about that, I did so quick. So one more time, he goes on 7 and 8. This is up on 1, 2, put your weight to your left, 2. Then you're gonna go and 3, we'll change on 4, side on 5, 6, in 7, down, 8. Alright? Let's try quick. She left the glasses. One more time. 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next. Balance. 7, 8. You got a chest. 1. Right to the front. 1, 2. Side. Down 3 and 4. Remember, this is 3 and 4. One more time. 7, 7, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3 and 4. From here, bend your back 5 and 6. Step back, right shoulder 7 and 8. That's quick. Let's try from here. 6, 7, and then 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Face again diagonally to your right. 7, 8. Alright, let's combine. First and second 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 2 and 3, 4, go 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good job. One more time. So 5, 6, 7 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next. From here, you're gonna slide. 7, 8. 1 and 2. Copy? Then 3 and we'll change 4. Step your left 5. Stop on 6. Make a circle on 7 and 8. To the back. 8. One more time on that part. So 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Punch on 1 and 2. Drag 3 and change on 4. Step your left, step your right. Reverse to circle 7 and 8. Let's do it a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and again. 5, 6, 7, and go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, stop, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try it. First, second, and third. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5. Stop. 7. on 2. Then release on 3 and back on 4. So like cramping. Again, 6, 7, and 8. Hello. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll change to the front. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and slide. 1, 2, front, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Merry Christmas. You got it? Good job. Thank you. Let's do it from the beginning. 4, 8. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go. And 2, drop and change. 5, stop. 7, hop. 1, punch, drop, hop. 1, and 7, and 8. Good job. Wait a minute. so tired. So from here next, we go all the way from the top. 1. So for this one, just shoulder, shoulder, drop, and shoulder, drop. So your hand is up, down, push, push. 6, 7, and go. Up, down, push, push. As simple as that. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, drop, push, push. The next 5, 6, and 7, 8. Easy. Again. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, push, push. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next. Simple again. Knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. For the hand, you gotta go chest. 1, overhead. 2, 3, and 4. Get it? One more time. Chest, overhead, 3, 4. And you will hear kanina ka pa nakatitig sa king. You understand? One more time. It goes like this. 6, 7, and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kanina ka pa nakatitig sa king. And ad-lib. Yeah! Good job. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. All of it. Slowly, alright? Are you ready? You ready?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, good. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7. Yeah, you're ready. We're not. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, punch from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, down, 4 side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Overhead, down, and kanina ka pa nakatitig sa akin. And ad-lib to the front. Yeah! Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share it, like, comment. Yes. Alright? Share the love.